This is 11:55. I was speaking with a teacher yesterday, and during our conversation, he just dropped a statement. I was like, why are we trying to force students to learn AI? Is this AI not going to make them become lazy, make them become all of that? And I asked him a simple question. I asked him if he remembered the story of what happened when people were trying to invent calculators and all of that. And he couldn't give me any serious answer. So I can't even believe that we are talking about AI making students lazy. And this is really sad for me because it was coming from a teacher. You can have all the arguments you want, you can say anything you want to say, but AI is not going to make students lazy. I think students should be introduced, or AI should be introduced to students from nursery school, not even primary school. Of course, you can simply simplify them, for nursery pupils and all of that. You can just get them the AI tools that is age appropriate for them. Please, you people should stop saying things like this. AI is not going to make students lazy. Rather, AI is going to amplify their learning process, simplify their learning process, and actually teach them more and faster. Whether you like it or not, AI is here. That is the age we are in. There's no going back. ChatGPT, OpenAI, Anthropic and the rest, they keep refining their tools. There is no going back for these companies. There is nothing anybody can do about it. So please stop making statements like this. It doesn't sound good. And it is very sad coming from a teacher. What are you talking about, sir? Please find ways to find ways to use AI in your learning, in your teaching, and just make it a part of you. Stop making statements like this. Because this is like saying washing machine is going to make your wife become lazy in the house. Yes. It is like saying buying a car for your wife, or your wife getting a car for herself is going to make her become fat. Yes. We should stop making statements like this. It doesn't sound good. 11:56. I should go to sleep.